been covering this movie for it seems like an eternity. We're so excited for you and the rest of the girls. Is there a day that during filming that sticks out to you as like your absolute favorite highlight?
Oh man, I don't know. Every day had its weird challenges. Probably the one where we were on our scooters. It was at 3 in the morning, and I think all the girls probably said that too. But it was just such an epic moment. We're there. Even on the beach, we had beach scenes where we're watching the sunset, and this is our we were filming there. I'm like, this is beautiful. So we had incredible, surreal moments, and then we had some crazy moments as well.
Well, talk about how you hope that this affects the future, your future movie choices that you pick.
I think for me it was just more that I wanted to see if I could just step out of my comfort zone and try something and work with a director that's completely bananas. He's absolutely talented, but he's a little crazy too, and I love that. So I wanted an opportunity to work with people like that and to see how far it could go. And hopefully it'll work out. We'll see.
3 things in your spring break survival kit.
Money. Sunscreen. And probably an extra bikinis. People seem to lose them a lot on spring break.